Hi, I'm Gary, and I want to show you how I use Cloudy. I'm going to go over some of the web presence the Cloudy project has. This page kind of summarizes some of the many websites with links, and there's a document that comes with this video that will make it easy to follow them. If you can find Cloudy on the web, this document, all the other links are here. There's perhaps more information than we need, but it's worth passing your eyes over this. There's a lot of good information. Going from the beginning, the top down, our main web page with lots of information about the project is our home page, wiki.nablato.org, and it shows a lot of things. It begins at the top with things we're very proud of and want to show off, including this X-ray prism spectrum, uh, different news about what's going on, the releases that are going, the Cloudy workshops. Here's some pointers about how to get started with Cloudy, and then more information about Cloudy diving deeper and deeper. We're very proud of this. This is the code citation rate as pulled from ADS. Um, Download links, outside pages, a lot of information here. So this is really the Cloudy Project's Wikipedia page. The step-by-step instructions page is a little bit of overkill with modern computers. This goes into a lot of details, a lot of steps very explicitly. And today, if you are building Cloudy in the normal way on a normal machine, meaning Ubuntu or a Mac, it'll be much simpler than this. There's a download links page on the wiki that is a single link. This link won't change. The link will tell you what the versions of Cloudy are. So right now we have a gold version, C23.01, and then we have a release candidate for the next version. This is a beta version, which we'll use in the workshop. The versions change. Cloudy changes with time. What's changing, this revision history has a number of links to different posts summarizing what's new in each of these versions. In recent years, we try to use version numbers that are the year of the release and also the year of the paper that describes that release. We have an ADS library, public library of Cloudy papers. So you can come here, and this shows the major Cloudy release papers, and you can have a look at the papers and see how Cloudy's changed over time. All this work we've done to do a true simulation of a non-equilibrium plasma in a horribly broad range of conditions. You can hear all about the details right there. Where to get help? Well, YouTube is one place to help. We have a YouTube channel. It's going to have these videos posted. This may be the first video we do post, so it's not populated at the moment. We have a user forum, which is a great place to go for one-on-one help. This started out as a Yahoo group about 20 years ago. It was taken over by groups.io, and they moved all of our questions over as we migrated. So groups.io is a very, very popular hosting platform. You probably have encountered it before. If we go down here a bit, this shows the history of questions being asked and answered on this forum. So you can see the history goes back 20 years, and it's for its niche product, it's a fairly active program. Uh, that's the history of posts. These are a very recent series of posts. This is a live view of the messages panel of the forum. And you can see this is the 5th of July, and you can see already in July we've had 5 posts in 4 days. So there's a lot of questions here. So if you have a question about Cloudy, the first thing to do is go back to the home page. We have this rich history of questions. Ask the question, to search for the question here. It's probably, if you're having a question or a concern, you're not the first one, and it may be an answer here. If you can't find the answer, then start a new thread on this on this forum. We have a data server and we have Zenodo. We post copies of our repository on Zenodo, and The release versions are cloudy on Zenodo as well. Our data server is a totally openly available, accessible web page that has a lot of information. I mentioned just two things. The Cloudy releases gives all the old versions of Cloudy going way back to a Fortran version from 1980. The current version is C25. It's a rough indication of the year. And here is the release candidate that is the beta version right now. We hope to have a second release candidate or a final version for the 2025 workshop. So that's the summary of what we've got up here. Don't let the volume scare you off. You don't need all of this, but know that if you have some question, there may be something out here. This is a good place to go to for help. Thank you very much.